Hi friends, welcome back. This is Apple iPad Air 5th generation unboxing and first look video. This is M1 processor equipped iPad. It has got 8 GB RAM and it supports P3 white color gamut. It's comparably much better iPad than the basic iPad which is 10th gen. Let's unbox it. There are several iPad cases and screen protectors are available in the market. There is a paper screen protector as well, which feels like paper, good for drawing. And this iPad I bought is of silver light color. It is of 64 GB RAM. It is a Wi-Fi equipped model. There is the Apple logo on the sides. Let's open it. This iPad comes with USB-C cable, the adapter for charging, and the brochure. This is the iPad. Yeah, silver light color, looks quite good. It has got dual speakers, USB charging port. This is the adapter and USB-C cable, USB port, C port on the both sides. And there is powered on and charging now. That's a welcome message before I set up. Thanks.